Are you ready to transform your credit score? Don't miss a beat on your journey to financial freedom. Get the facts straight because every detail counts when it comes to improving your credit. Hey there, fellow entrepreneur. Lisa here. Listen, welcome to the Biznezz Academy. On this channel, we're about the buzz in the biz. Listen, if this is your first time here, don't let it be your last. One request I have is for you to get your pen and paper ready to take notes. Hey, welcome. And if you like this video, just go ahead and like it and maybe subscribe. In today's video, I am going to share with you 10 mistakes to avoid when trying to repair your credit, meaning factual dispute your credit. You guys get your pen and paper ready to take notes. Let's get into it. Mistake number one, you guys. I've made this mistake. Many of us making this mistake, and you don't want to do this, is closing out old accounts, assuming that if you close the account out, that it makes you look responsible, don't have to use that credit again. Don't do it. When you close out old accounts, it affects your credit because it reduces your score, and you'll notice that your score will go down as much as 15 points. So do not close old accounts. And also, when you open new accounts, after you close old account, that's even worse. Don't do it. Mistake number two, disputing your credit online. When you file disputes online, it limits your consumer rights. Number three, renewing your statutes of limitations for debt repayments. Let me break this down. Did you know that when you start to make repayments on old debt, that it actually starts the clock from scratch? Meaning you have to go all the way back from the beginning. They'll start, the clock goes back. Don't do it. Mistake number four, lack of patience. You guys must give yourself plenty of time to do factual disputing. Listen, we've all made mistakes with our credit for one reason or another. And our credit did not, overnight, our credit score did not decline. It took time. It took missed payments, maybe forgetting something happening. It took a variety of reasons to decline your credit score. So don't expect for your credit to be repaired overnight. Be patient. Due diligence. Don't start calling the credit bureaus. Take the necessary steps. Mistake number five, big mistake, dealing with debt collectors. Answering calls from debt collectors and not requesting validation in writing. Mistake number six is paying debt collectors. Did you guys know that if you pay, it still negatively affects your credit score, especially if you pay the debt collector and you do not negotiate deletion from your credit report? Is a big no-no, so don't make this mistake. Mistake number seven is paying old debt without negotiating a deletion from your credit report. Verbal agreements with collectors may not be honored. Make sure you get the negotiation in writing to protect yourself. Mistake number nine, credit sweep. Paying a company to get rid of all the negativity off of your credit like that. You guys, red flag, red flag, red flag. If you're interested in credit enhancement, which is not credit repair, but credit factual dispute, I can take care of that for you. But if some company says that they can get it done in 30 days or 60 days, and they can sweep all the negativity off of your credit, don't go for the okie dokie, red flag. Don't make that mistake and become a victim. And mistake number 10, going back into debt. Don't do it. Make smarter and better choices. And there you have it. 10 mistakes to avoid when trying to repair your credit. You guys, listen, if you would like to get on a call with me, find out how we can work together and I can help you with your credit. Yes, I can. Credit enhancement, I can help you. If you're interested in business credit, I can help you with that. And if you need funds to grow and scale, I can help you with that. Actually, we can help you with that. You guys, listen. When you win, I win, we win together. Take advantage of the freebies below. If you have any questions, any suggestions, or any topics you would like me to cover, go ahead and comment below. And until next time, I love you. I love you. Bye-bye.